Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Hyundai Genesis. Doing rear brakes on this one. Quite simple. Tire comes off. 14mm bolt here. 14mm bolt here. Caliper will come off. Before you do so, I would get a screwdriver. If you don't have the tool, get right in between the pad and the rotor and compress the caliper itself back, all the way back. If you do have a tool, you can take the caliper off, use the tool to compress it, but this people that do not have such a tool. Set the caliper up and out of the way, pads come off. I always get the packages with new shims because it makes the makes the brake pad slide easier with less friction. Install the new little seat clips, clip here, clip down at the bottom. They're kind of fun to get back on since they are brand new, but it's kind of just work your way through it. Put your brake grease on, caliper back in 14 to 14, and that's basically it. This one's a pretty simple, kind of like a Honda, not like a Ford. Doesn't have one of those gears that you gotta rotate them back in. Gotta love those. Same thing with like a VW on some of them, but real simple Asian style rear brakes. All right, any questions, comments, please feel free to let me know.